Magnific is an AI upscaling tool that promises to enhance your images with stunning clarity. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see if this tool is worth your time and money. Magnific is designed to upscale images using advanced AI algorithms. The core functionality revolves around enhancing the resolution of your photos while preserving their quality. What's interesting is how user-friendly the interface is. You can easily upload an image and choose the scale you want, 2x, 4x, or more. The intended audience seems to be photographers, graphic designers, and anyone looking to improve their images without diving deep into complex software. Right off the bat, the processing speed also stands out, as I found it quite fast compared to some other tools out there. However, there are some areas that feel a little unclear. For instance, the website doesn't provide much detail on the specific AI techniques used, which might leave some users feeling skeptical. Overall, it seems like a solid option for quick enhancements, but I wonder how it holds up in more demanding scenarios. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the image quality after upscaling is impressive, and the ease of use is a significant advantage for those who aren't tech savvy. Plus, the fast processing time can be a game changer for busy professionals. On the flip side though, there are some frustrations. The lack of transparency regarding the underlying technology can be a red flag for more discerning users. Also, I noticed that some intricate details in images can sometimes get lost during the upscaling process. For those who need very high quality results, this might not be the best fit. But if you're just looking to enhance casual photos or social media content, it could work well for you. In conclusion, Magnific is worth considering if you want a straightforward and efficient AI upscaling tool. It's great for casual users or those needing quick enhancements. However, if you're after professional grade results with complete control, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a decent tool, but proceed with realistic expectations.